How to change Facebook location settings. So if you want to change your Facebook location settings, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application, and then after opening, now you can go to the upper right corner which has a three-barred icon, and then you can scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy go to settings, and here if you scroll down, here you will have language and region, or you can also go to the search icon which is on the upper right corner, and then you can search for location. So let me tell you one thing, that in some regions or in some countries you don't have this location option. You can't change your location, but in some countries you will have that location option. You can simply go to the location, and after that you can change it from there. So for now I don't have that location option, or else you can also go to language and region, and under language and region here you may have an option of changing your region. So as I have already told you that in some regions we don't have that region options. So in my country I don't have that option to change, but if you have that option then you can simply tap on location or region and then you can change it from there. So that's it. That's how you change your Facebook location settings, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.